Welcome to yet another project, but today is a shopping project because we are going to go and pick up a table saw and a whole bunch of other tools. So I figured that I might as well take you guys along because it's all a part of the big project that I got coming up. So far for the project, I have gotten the instructions on how to do the project. I've also gotten an estimate on what it's going to cost for some of the material for the project, and it's actually not bad. It's not what I thought that it was going to be, but today we're going to go to Home Depot or Menards, I forget which one, and we're going to take a look at a few of the materials that I got a quote on yesterday, just to see if I can get a little bit better price on them and to see if they've got something that's going to work a little bit better. And so yeah, that's what we're doing today. So I'm going to get back with you once I get to Home Depot. Well, we're here at Menards, and was going to bring you guys in with me, but decided against it. So I'm going to leave you in the car, and the next time that you see me will be when I'm loading up my truck with all the tools. Hey there. So I actually ended up spending just under $200, which I had to save $300 just for tools. So I think that I'm doing pretty good because I'm already ahead of the game as far as that goes. And I am pretty darn happy about that. Now, you might be asking, you got a pickup truck, so why the heck did you put this inside? Well, I didn't want it to get stolen. And I've got to go get groceries yet today, and therefore I figured it was much safer if I went ahead and put it in here instead. So now I'm gonna go get groceries, and the next time that you'll see me will be at the house, and I will be showing you guys what I got today. So hey there. So I am back at home, and well, it's time for me to show you guys what I picked up, at least most of what I picked up. Alright, first off, I got a really handy little Japanese pole saw, and then I got myself a pocket plane here, and it's not really a traditional plane as it's got a bunch of holes cut in it or punched in it, and then that's what makes it so that it can pick up wood really well. And then I got a little 3.5 inch block plane, as you can see, and this is a traditional plane with the single razor in there. Then got myself a little level, a 3-piece countersink set, a nice little square, and then a 10-piece file set. This is one of those things that I definitely didn't have to have because I got these, but it's a good thing to have around anyway, so I decided to pick that up. And then that great big thing that you saw me putting into the truck, that is a table saw, and so I bought another blade for it just because I'm not sure if the saw itself comes with a blade. And then I bought some of these clamps here. And these clamps here, I hadn't seen these before, but these are kind of cool. Look at there, it's got like a little locking mechanism there. And then I bought a whole bunch of these. These were like 99 cents. So I bought them too. And then what this is sitting on is I bought myself 4 of these as well. They're just the little sawhorse legs, and then you can just clamp a regular 2x4 in there. And these were like $10 a piece. So I thought that they were going to be a pretty good deal, and I like them. They work pretty good, and they take up very little room once broken down. So that's why I decided to go with those. And I wanted something with full legs on it. I know that I could have just bought like the little clamshell ones that then you screw the 2x4 pieces to for the legs. But honestly, I really wanted something with its own legs. So therefore I went with these ones, and I think that it's pretty good. So I know that around social media I've kind of hinted toward a big project. I don't know how much I did here on YouTube, but I have been hinting it here and there. I haven't been hinting what it is, but if you think that you know, just from the tools that I bought here and some of the other social media things, make sure that you leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think that I'm building this year. And while you're down there, leave me a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And make sure that you hit that bell so that you know when I upload my next video. And until next time, you have a good one.